Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictations. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound English Shorthand Dictations for the purpose of practice. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 132. Start. Number 1. The rise in prices is governed by circumstances beyond our control. Full stop. In all probability, there will be a drop in price when the supply is sufficient to meet the demand. Full stop. New para. Number 2. A report covering the export and import trade is issued annually by the government, through the Department of Commerce. Full stop. Number 3. Most of the large department stores advertise regularly in the daily newspapers. Full stop. Whenever they hold a special sale, and particularly at Christmas and Easter, when people do more shopping than usual, the stores increase the size of their advertisements. Full stop. It would be interesting to know whether the additional sales are sufficient to cover the expense of advertising. Full stop. Evidently, it is sufficiently profitable, for the stores continue their campaigns without interruption. Full stop. Probably the stores have a method of estimating fairly accurately whether they are getting full value from their advertising campaigns. Full stop. New para. In addition to regular newspaper advertising, many of the stores advertise by direct mail, that is, they send announcements to individual customers calling their attention to special offerings. Full stop.